So for this problem, we're going to find out what the height of the goal is when you're given the distance away from the goal and if you kick the ball 20 meters per second at a 45-degree angle. In order to do this, you would first find the triangle. And since it's a 45, 45, 90, and you know that the hypotenuse would be 20, you can figure out that the other two sides would be 20 over root 2, in this case 14.14. Going on, you'd split it up into components because you want to keep the two values separated. So you take the distance of the y value is equal to the velocity of the y value times the time minus 1/2 the acceleration times time squared. And then you define the x value. You would use distance of x is equal to the velocity of x times time minus 1/2 10t squared. However, you wouldn't need this since that is only for a vertical aspect and you want to keep them separated. So basically just be the distance of x is equal to velocity of x times time. In order to plug in these values, you use 25 for the distance of x, since that is the range, is equal to 14.14 because that is the velocity in which the ball travels, and then times the time in order to figure out how long it takes for the ball to go the 25 meters and go into the goal. Continuing on, you would use this the y equation. Distance of y is equal to velocity of y times time minus 1/2 10t squared. So you plug in 14.14 is the velocity for y times the time that we just found out, minus 1/2 times 10 times 1.77 squared, because that is the time of the equation. Then moving on, you'd simplify it to get distance of y is equal to 25 minus 15 and 2/3, which would then leave you with, I believe that's 9.9 1/3, which would be the height of the goal.